you're getting ready for retirement, you want to know, does Medicare pay for vaccines? Some or all or none? The answer is, as of January 1st of 2023, it pays for most of them. It didn't used to pay for the shingles vaccine. It's a 2-dose set, and it was kind of expensive. And people got really big sticker shock when they found out they got it, because they heard, there's ads all over every pharmacy that said, get your free flu shot here if you're on Medicare. So yeah, now as of January 1st, 2023, shingles is also free. So most vaccines for people on Medicare are free. Now there's a lot of other preventative health services on Medicare that are also free on different schedules. So like you can get your mammogram, you can get a colonoscopy like every 5 years unless you're high risk, and you can get a pap smear every 2 years unless you're high risk, and you can get all these other tests. So those are called preventative health services, and if you only have original Medicare, A and B, then you get all those preventative health services. If you go to Medicare Advantage, private Medicare, by law, they have to cover all the same things that you got free in Medicare. So you're not like, oh, well, now I don't get my free shingles vaccine. Nope, they have to cover those things also as free. But Medicare Advantage, private Medicare, often has even more extras. By law, they kind of have to have some extras. So if you are getting ready for Medicare and you're wondering, what does Medicare cover? Medicare has an app called What Does Medicare Cover? That can help you. Also have a lot of great information on our website, themedicarefamily.com. If you're getting ready to start Medicare, my best advice for you is to go take our free workshop. It is 20 minutes of your life. It is free. You don't have to register. You can do it any time of day or night. Go to our website, themedicarefamily.com, and right there you'll see a tab that says resources. Click on that. Under that, you'll see our workshop. That will get you ready, explain Medicare A, B, C, D, what choices you are going to have to make, when to apply, where to apply, how much is it going to cost. That's the best resource on the internet, free, to get you started on your Medicare journey. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.